What are you doing, Yoda? You don't need to go in there. I don't have a snack for you. And so mischief is the only one awake. This is Yoda, he's the youngest one. He's a little overly curious, but come here, show us. Show us your face, your beauty. Quit digging around, you. But yeah, my other ferrets are over here. Oh my god. Oh, here's Wooly. Oh, look at that. Who's that? Oh, here's Freya, the elder, the old ferret. Oh, it's okay. Here we go, split them. And Kalik, the demonic baboon. God, you guys are picky. What the beep are you doing? Quiet, man. We don't need to get in there. Really? Fine. Here. Go in there. If it helps, go ahead. Good boy. But yeah. So yeah, this is my room. That's my usual room. I gotta use the pads as much as I can, so I just re-clean them off. Oh my gosh. Illumination. Oh, there's Willie's awake. I'll go inside soon. There's my degree. Educational Standards Corporation Institute. What a asshole mouthful of word for college. But yeah, I'd say this is pretty good for Alaska. Kind of like what I've been working on lately. I do a lot of writing. A lot of writing. Like that whole box down there is like, it's nothing but writing. Fair food. Yep, nothing too out of place here, just me and the ferrets. I'm below ground level too. I'm in the basement. It's cool, it's making the shine on this side. But you can't see it because the light's, you know, not the right angle from your view. Okay, I didn't neglect to do anything. I don't think so. God, I love that shot. No, Willie doesn't like cameras. He's like, get that thing out of my face. fuel filter. Willie, come here. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff. There you go. Alright, I had to grab Willie for a second. Hello, we can turn off this one now. Yep. And this is my kick-ass waterfront view. That's my creek. My room window's down there by my knife. And the creek flows under the road, and it's all kinds of wonderfully ghetto. Yep, it's Alaska for you. The great melt is happening. People put their snowshoes away for the winter. Now they're gonna get ready for blistering hot, scorching hellfire, singeing their asses. Great neighbors. Lots of noise coming from up there. Oh. Jesus. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Smoking a cigarette. Trying to have a normal day. I don't even know what a fucking normal day is anymore. New grill. April's plants. Well, I guess my ferrets bedding thing. I'm gonna bring back in. And of course, everywhere creeping around are feds or feds. Double F'd for double fucked. I absolutely despise agencies that watch people like, for an occupation, a job, and get paid to tend to their sheeple and pretend to be other people amongst, regular citizens as if they're fucking normal or something, but they're not. They're not normal. Sickens me. Feds, to me, has always been an acronym for faggot educating dick suckers. But now that they're double fucked and double effed and therefore feds, they're federal faggot educating dick suckers. And they're just trying to milk their boss's titties for all the fucking material wealth they can plunder because they think that's what it's all about. You know, God may be depicted in the image of a lion, and Lucifer may be depicted as in the image of a beast. But I'll tell you one factual difference between lions and beasts is that it's going to be funny. You know, the thing that's funny to me is because lions eat their young and beasts defend their young. But I do stand in different waters. I stand in every lake, and I see in every heaven. You'll know that when you get to the point where you'll know your feet are below the hells and your head's above the heavens. And the reason why your feet are supposed to be below the hells is because this way you can always, at any time you fall into any type of hell, you can always just step right up out of it. And when your head's above the heavens, you can see, and you can see the heavens. But once you get your head above that ledge, then it becomes easy to just grab a hold of the ledge and lift yourself up to the same level as God. And if you're both of these things, then you're stronger than God. In fact, everybody on this earth might be stronger than God, no matter how fucked up they are, because at least they're still here. Oh my God, the sky. Oh my gosh. It's my way. I gotta take a shower. If it's that I was looking for earlier. I don't recall. I hate forgetting about things. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. Face paint. Oh God, you guys digging at this cloth again. Early on. You two being good boys. I see Cleach is getting into the cage again. What did you do, lock yourself in? That's Cleach. Demon baboon. Elder. Go ahead. Go on. You okay? Young albino. This is Yoda from hell. And of course, Woolly Man. My big boy. Good boy. You know how I know Will's badass? Because of this right here. Good boy. What you doing? You okay? How are you? You pet your head a little bit. He's just yawning. He's like, oh, this is normal, nothing. He's like, I love you anyway. Yeah. They actually like that because it reminds them of when they were comforted by their mother, because their mother would carry them by their scruff like that. Oh God, I gotta escape you. No. And of course, you guys, they've been using the restroom or going bathroom a lot more since they got a little sick. Alright, I've got some work to tend to. Good boys and girls. Alright, talk to y'all later. Love y'all.